Hi, this is Dr. Rogo. I'm giving you a video update of where we're at with the RBK Pediatrics move. This is the main entrance. Now let me show you the parking. We have loads of parking. No more hills. Abundance of parking. So the way in, you go down the main hall. And inside the hallway, you'll see a security guard, and he'll direct you to our suite. It's the first suite on the left. It'll say pediatrics on it. I'll show you in a second. So we're going in to the main lobby. We should have our, information up here too. There's the security guard. Say hello.
How are you?
Security guards will tell you where to go. We're basically right on the left. We're gonna have pediatric that says up there, and this is the main entrance. So once again, this is our front desk. We just got our furniture today. This is gonna be the small sub-waiting room. We have a little power table over there for charging of your iPhones and Samsungs. Let's walk through the front desk a little bit, and we can see the examination rooms. Examination rooms are going to be really, really nice. They're all on sensors. All have accent colors of our website with the examination tables. You can see the grand hallway. Some rooms will have an examination table and a well baby table. Going down the hallway. More examination rooms in here. This is a purple room. They're all going to have nice Disney themes. We're going to have a Frozen room. We're going to have an Incredibles room. We're going to have a Cars room, a Princess room, a Snow White room. We have lots of rooms, 12 rooms. Hopefully we'll have 4 doctors working. This is our handicap access doorway. This is going to be a nurse's station. The nurse's stations will be doing their vaccines, their data entry, filling out forms. This is going to be our laboratory, which I showed in an earlier video. But we would have a full CLIA certified laboratory. Go down the hallway a little bit. This is the doctor's offices. All the doctors will be headquartered in here. And we'll have plenty of room for the doctors and any medical students that we have that we train from high school, college, and medical school years. So this is where the future doctor will be developed. Examination rooms in here with the green theme. There's another room back here. That's the purple theme room. As you can see, we're almost ready to launch. I think maybe next week, beginning of August, I think is our go live date, if all goes well. Let's go down a little bit more down the hallway. Another exam room. The room that everybody will be spending a lot of time in is the hearing and eye room nursing triage area. We'll be hearing and the vision over here. A lot of the supplies and samples we'll have over there. They'll take the height and the weights too. Our little kitchen area for our staff is pretty nice. And for those that are going to be using the RBK Chronic Care Program with Dr. Riley, Bill, and Dr. Nick, this is our consultation room where we can actually face the patient while we're doing the intake. And we'll have an exam. And let me give you a sneak peek of some of the artwork that's going to go up on the walls. This is the artwork. We're going to have Frozen, Little Mermaid, whole bunch of stuff. Dumbo, Marvel, because they're part of Disney too. And Dr. Riley likes Marvel. We have Mandalorian, because they're part of Disney. The Star Trek, Toy Story. Lots and lots and lots of child-friendly, but not too childish artwork. So we look forward to seeing everybody at RBK Pediatrics. Well, it should be good.